Infuse curiosity into everyday life. Answer their queries, provide exploration opportunities, and introduce them to stimulating environments. Hands-on activities that engage their senses and pique interest are a win. Reading together from an early age? Absolutely. It enhances language development, expands vocabulary, and fosters a love for learning. Select a variety of books and make it a fun, interactive experience. Play is vital to cognitive development. It nurtures problem-solving, creativity, and social skills. Toys and games that encourage imaginative play and stimulate different thinking aspects are key. Create an environment conducive to learning, with age-appropriate toys, books, and educational materials. Keep things fresh by rotating toys and introducing new challenges. Screen time? Limit it. Excessive screen time can hamper cognitive development. Opt for high-quality educational content during their tech time. Encourage critical thinking. Pose open-ended questions that guide them to find solutions independently. This nurtures problem-solving skills and a sense of independence. Puzzles, board games, and other interactive activities can enhance cognitive skills like spatial awareness, pattern recognition, and memory. Choose age-appropriate games that challenge and engage their minds. Support imaginative play. Activities where children can use their imagination, such as pretend play, story creation, or role-playing, are crucial. Model curiosity and learning. Children often mimic their parents. Display a positive attitude towards learning, be curious, and engage in activities that promote your own cognitive growth. Promote healthy habits, ensure they get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and engage in regular physical activity. These contribute to overall well-being, supporting optimal cognitive development. Remember, each child is unique. Observe and respond to their individual interests and needs. A supportive, stimulating environment coupled with positive parenting paves the way for cognitive development in children.